Hey, what's up, Spore Finance holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the massive update of the sport. So keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, so please I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time the price of Spore as $0 dollar. My friends, on the other side, if we talk about the price changes of the sport, so the price change is going positive. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, the average change occur in the Spore Finance at this time is going positive. I really appreciate this time Spore Finance, because if you want to invest in a cryptocurrencies market at this time, so I think that Spore Finance is a good investment in this time, my friends, because at this time the free coin in Spore Finance is the only unique coin that they start moving upward, my friends. Let me show you the price chart of the Spore. You can easily understand from the price chart. You can see it, my friends, from the price chart of the Spore Finance. That's easily everyone can understand it. From the yesterday, from the last 24 hours, the Spore Finance start jumping, my friends. Absolutely a massive gains occurred by a Spore Finance from the yesterday, and now still they gains, my friends. Positive 15.88%. The pricing is going positive, so this means that price start moving upward. Price is going upward, and you will become very soon rich man, my friends. So anyways, at this time the price of Spore Finance is very low, so everyone can invest in a Spore Finance. So if you want to invest, so I really appreciate it. Please invest now and make a profit with a Spore Finance. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.